All right. So last class we have seen introduction of master data, right? So we are having four types of master data: customer master, material master, CMIR, and condition master, right? So we'll see customer master today. Okay, so in customer master, we are going to learn how to create customers and what are the fields we are having and which consultant is going to involve in customer master. So we'll discuss all of them. Just a moment. I think you guys can see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Then our regular screen. Unexpected something. What's the meeting ID? Anyone can see meeting ID over here. Yeah. Can anyone share this link in the group, in our WhatsApp group? Just copy this text and share it in the group. Second one you can share that they are also get joined. This one, just copy and paste it in the group. You are also joined.
ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ correct.
All right. Okay. So we have seen master data. So we are having four types of master data, right? Customer master, material master, and CMIR and condition master. So we'll see today customer master, right? So customer master means here whatever the customers, the end users are going to create. So those all the customers, it will store some data. Okay, it will store in some database. So that database we call it as a customer master. Okay, customer master. So here all the details related to the customer we can able to see in the customer master. Okay, so we'll see now how we are going to create this customer master. You can see the T codes over here. To create the customer, the T code is XD01, and for change, the T code is XD02, and for display, the T code is XD03. Well, first we'll create one customer, then we'll see how to create a standard customer.
Oh,
Hello? Someone is saying something? All right. Okay. So let me log in the system, SAP. Have you guys purchased servers? Yeah. Go to XD01. XD01 is a T code to create a customer. Right. So here, this is a screen of XD01. So you can see. So here, when you go to XD01, it is asking account group and the customer number, the customer and company codes and sales area. So sales area is nothing but combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. We already discussed in enterprise structure, right? And these details we need to give. So first account group we need to select. So as of now, I'm selecting the standard account group. In future class, I will explain you how to create our own account, right? How to create our account group and how to create the number ranges. Okay. So we'll discuss about that. So first I'm selecting the standard account group. So 0001 is a standard one. So standard is nothing but SAP has introduced. SAP has created these standard account groups because here in SAP only not only SD consultant is going to involve, right? So we are having n number of consultants. So that's why the SAP come up with an idea called standard. So if you use the standard one and whatever the other consultant related configuration is there, so that will be already created by SAP only. So we are learning SD, then we will learn only our configuration and remaining part, whatever the other consultant configurations are there, so it will already done by SAP only, right? So we no need to worry because while we are learning, so we need to create all the stuff. But here we don't have any other team, right? Only SD we are learning, right? Only SD things we are going to learn, and whatever the remaining consultant configurations are there, so that will already configured by SAP itself. Okay, so that's why we'll use standard. Okay? Just take the standard one, 0001, and customer. So it will be generated automatically based on the number ranges. Okay. So how we are going to maintain the number ranges, so that we'll discuss in our future class. As of now, just select our account group, standard account group. So here you need to click on account group overview and just select, double click on your account group. So system will click automatically here. Now here we need to mention our company code. So in enterprise structure, whatever the company code we have created, the same company code we need to be maintained, right? So we already created our company code, right? Right. So what is our company code? Z100. And next,
Eva.
hello.
Yeah.
Z100 is our company code. And next sales area we need to assign. Sales area is nothing but combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Right. So we'll check what is our sales area. Sales org, distribution channel, and division. So whatever we have configured, that we need to check. Sales organization is also Z100 and distribution channel will take first one. Okay. Z1, Z100, Z1, and division is also will take first one. Okay. Z1, Z1. Okay. Z100 and distribution channel Z1 and division is also Z1. So you can take anything. So I'm just picking the first one, the first combination. So sales organization is Z100 and distribution channel is Z1 and division is Z1. Just click on enter. You can see this is the screen of customer master. So where we can see here, this is a screen of customer. Okay. So you can see this customer master divided into three data over here in this customer master. So one is general data and another one is company code data and another one is sales area data. So three types of customer data we can able to see: general data, company code data, and sales area data. Okay. General data, company code data, and sales area data. So in the general data, we are having total 7 tabs. You can see we are in general data. You can see customer master and we are in general data now. This is a general data. And in the general data, we are having total 7 tabs. One is address tab, control data tab, and payment transactions, and marketing, and unloading point, and export data, and contacts. Right. So this address tab is responsible by SD consultant. So this address tab is going to maintain in real time. SD as an SD consultant, we are going to maintain this address tab. Okay. So you just need to maintain title of the customer. Does the customer is company, or is a doctor, is a madam, is a miss, is a mister. So you need to select like based on your requirement. Okay. So I'm just selecting the company, or you can select doctor. You can maintain name of the customer, and search term. Search term means this is a shortcut. How you are going to call this customer. So you can maintain same. So if the customer is having some Mohan Satyadev, something like this. So 2 names he is having, big name. Okay. Then what you will do? So you can give a shortcut to him. So search term is nothing but shortcut, you can say Mohan. So when you enter Mohan, then automatically system will pick these customer. This is search term. You can maintain search term and then address of this customer and street. Street you can maintain. You can maintain like this. Street, house number, postal code, and city, country, IN, India, and region. Region means state, which state he belongs to. Just maintain Karnataka. So then Karnataka. And then transportation zone. So transportation zone is nothing but, so we'll discuss in future class. So as of now, it is not required. So it is like a destination zone. I mean, destination zone of the customer. Just select one. So we are having a concept called delivery scheduling. So in that, we are having one more concept called route determination. So there we'll discuss about transportation. So as of now, it is not required. So if I explain, so you will get confused. So just maintain as it is, what I am maintaining over here. Right. So this address data is maintained by SD consultant. Okay. So in future, if customer want to change the address, then as an SD consultant, we are going to involve it and we will get the ticket and we are going to change that address. So we are going to responsible for this tab, address tab, only address tab. Okay. And next control data is there. This control data and payment transaction, these 2 tabs are related to FI consultant, finance consultant. So we are not going to maintain anything over here. So completely these 2 tabs are related to FI consultant. We are not going to maintain anything. And the next, the 4th one, marketing. So as an SD consultant, we are going to involve in this marketing tab and also unloading points and also export data and also contact person. So in these 4 tabs also as an SD consultant, we are going to involve and we are going to responsible for this. Okay. So in these 7 tabs, expect these 2 remaining all as an SD consultant, we are going to responsible for them. Okay. Marketing tab. So we'll discuss all these fields in the future class. So as of now, we'll see how to create a customer. So in the marketing tab. So these are all the tabs we are having. Marketing tab, unloading points, export data, and contact person. So as an SD consultant, we are going to responsible for it. And this is about general data. In general data, total we are having 7 tabs. And expect these 2, control data and payment transaction, and remaining 5, we are going to maintain all these fields. And we'll jump into the next tab, company code data. So here in the company code data, we are having 4 tabs. And these 4 tabs completely belongs to FI consultant. So as an SD consultant, we are not going to involve anywhere. Completely FI related. This complete company code data is related to the FI team. Okay. So we just maintain this reconciliation account, the GL account we need to be maintained. In future, I will explain what is GL account and all. So as of now, just maintain 1,40,000 and go to payment transaction. You can see whenever you will create a customer with a new enterprise structure, you will get these error. When you mention this reconciliation account, so this is a FI related error only, but this is a basic error. So every time whenever you will create a new enterprise structure and new GL account you are maintaining, then you will get this error. Entry Z100 and 1,40,000 does not exist in SKB1. Check entry. This is an error. So what we need to do for this, so we need to copy all the GL accounts to our company. Now what we need to do for this error, I'll just take a screenshot. I take the screenshot of this error, then you will understand. So I will maintain. Just a moment. Let me take the screenshot and just maintain it in this Excel. Okay, so this is your error. So we'll take a news sheet over here. And we'll post that errors to them. All these errors we can post and we can see the solutions. Okay? Maintain this as a customer master errors. Can take like this. Okay, so this is an error one. So how we are going to solve it? So for this one, so I'll just take a new screen, new session. So first step, we need to go to the T code OB/6. Go to OB/6 and just click on enter. And here we'll go to our company code. What is our company code? Z100. So we already configured. And just double click on the Z100. And here we need to maintain some fields. So this is related to the FI stuff, but so as we don't have any FI team over here, so we need to be maintained. So in real time, FI team will be take care of this error. Okay. But you need to understand how the process is going on, right? So now here you need to be mentioned some important fields, okay? Not all the fields. The chart of account to be maintained, INT, chart of accounts, maintain INT, and next fiscal year variant. So we are having two types of fiscal year variants. One is V3 and one more is K4. Okay, so I'm maintaining K4. What is mean by V3 and what is mean by K4? Why you are maintaining K4 and why not V3? Okay, so the standards are V3 and K4. So V3 means as per our Indian financial year, if it is an Indian customer, Indian company, then we'll maintain V3. If it is any other country, then we'll maintain K4. US. So for example, V3 means what is our Indian financial year starts from? So it starts from April to March. April is our first month and March is our last month as per our financial year, right? So if you want to be maintain V3, then you need to calculate. So we are in April, right? That means we are in first month. Okay, so that's why you will get confused of it. So that's why I have maintained K4. K4 is nothing but it is related to US financial year, and US financial year starts from January to December. So January is the first month. So as per K4, we are in which month? Fourth month. Okay, if you maintain V3, as per our Indian financial year, we are in first month. Okay, April means we are in first month. Okay, so you need to be maintained like this. Okay, so I have maintained K4 to understand easily. K4 means it is related to the US financial year. That means we are in fourth month, April, fourth. So just maintain this financial year. And then here we need to mention field status variant 1000 and posting period variant 1000. This is not related to us, but just maintain this. These are the important fields. Otherwise, if you not maintain these, then whatever the error we got, so we can't able to solve. Okay. Just you need to mention this and save. Let me create my own TR for this customer master. So TR will be used to transfer the data from one server to another server. Okay? So to create like this, and system will generate a TR number automatically. Okay? So I have given the text and I'm saving it. You can see. So these are requests. So when you have done any changes, then based on this TR number, we can able to move the changes. Okay, whatever the change we are going to save in this TR, all the changes will be stored in this TR. Then if you move this change, move this TR to another system, only the particular change will be moved. So if you delete, then whatever the changes you have done within this TR, only that changes will be deleted. This is the important, the TR. Just save it. So now I have saved it. Okay. The first step I have done. The first step is OBY6. Maintain here. OBY6, step 1. Step 1 is OBY6. So it is done. Now, after this, we need to go to one path. Slash n means it will take you to the home screen, okay, easy access screen. This is an easy access screen. And then go to SPRO, reference IMG, and now go to financial accounting new. So this path is also related to FI team only, but here we don't have FI team. So that's why we need to solve it, because until unless we can't able to move from that error. Okay, so we need to solve it at any cost. So now go to financial accounting new, and then we'll go to general ledger accounting new. General ledger accounting new. So here, next go to master data and go to GL accounts. Next go to GL account, creation and processing, and then go to alternative methods. Okay. Now here you can see copy GL accounts. And here copy from company code or copy from chart of account. So we are just copying from the company code. So in standard company code, all the GL accounts are exist. So in the standard company code, the SAP already maintains some GLs, okay, standard GLs. So what we will do, we'll just copy from the standard company code to our company code, because as of now, we don't have an FA team, right? So that's why we'll copy from the standard. That's why SAP has introduced the standard stuff, right? So if you don't have any other consultant, then how are you going to practice it, right? So that's why they have introduced the standard one. Then we can use the standard and we can create our own as it is. We are just replicating it. That's it. We are duplicating it. Okay. So now click on copy company code. So in standard company code, SAP already maintains some GLs. So now I will copy those GLs to my company code. Then whatever the error it is proposed, the GL error only, right? So it will not get again. Okay. So now here, just maintain our company code, that is 1000, sorry, Z100, and standard company code, that is 0001. Okay. Now uncheck this test run, just execute it. So system will propose a warning message like this: you are making a production run. Just you need to be ignore it and just click on enter and save it. Now system automatically copy all the GL accounts to our company from standard 0001 to our company code Z100. You can see all the company codes are transferred. Account 9,60,000 has been created for the company code Z100. So if you go back, then you can able to see all the GLs. So you can see these are all the GLs. You can see copying GL accounts to company code Z100 from company code 0001. See, all the GL accounts are copied. These many GLs are already copied to our company code. So you can use. So if it is not there, then you need to be create our own GL. That is our future concept. So as of now, just maintain. So we have maintained our customer master 1,40,000, right? It is there. Then we can solve that error. So if it is not there, then system will again propose the same error. Then we need to create it by our own. So that is our future concept. I will explain how to create our own GLA concept. Just you need to copy like this. That's it. Now again, I'll try to create a customer. Okay. Now I'll just move to the another tab. This time system will allow. You can see the error is gone. Now it is not proposing that same error. Right. So these two steps you need to be followed. Okay. So let me maintain the path as well, right? So in the document also it is there. So I will share you the document. Okay, so in the document also all these errors are mentioned. Okay, so you can go through the document. Right. So that's it. So here we need to mention 1,40,000 and payment transaction is 000. These two setup you need to do. That's it. Only these two fields. And this is also completely not related to us, but as we don't have an FI team, so this is the important field. Okay, that's why we have maintained. Without this, we will get a lot of errors in future. That's why we need to be maintain these two stuff. Now this company code data, right? So company code data having 4 tabs, and these 4 tabs are completely related to FI. Now sales area data. The sales area data is completely related to SD consultant. All these 4 tabs. So in sales area data, we are having 4 tabs: sales tab, shipping tab, billing tab, and partner function tab. So 4 tabs. So as an SD consultant, we are going to involve in all these 4 tabs. Okay. You just need to maintain some mandatory fields, okay, important fields. Okay. So now in the sales tab, you just need to mention our sales office. Sales office means we already configured in enterprise structure, right? Sales office means it is a physical location of our company. And sales group, right? Z10 we have configured. Okay. Only the important fields you need to be mentioned. Okay. Remaining all it is not required. So I will explain each and every field, okay, after creation of the customer. Just maintain the same important field what I am maintaining, whatever I am maintaining, just follow as it is. So Z100 is my delivering plan. My delivering plan. So whatever you will create, so that plan you need to be maintained. So if you have created same Z100, then maintain same. Okay, just maintain it and then go to the billing document and here info terms CIF. Okay, Bangalore. In terms of payment 0001. And here tax classification 1. And then that's it. And partner functions. Okay. So I will explain it later. So now you just need to save it. Okay. Now you can see our customer has been created. You can see where is our customer number? It is here. It is proposed 4,20,017. This is our customer 4,20,017. So I'll just maintain our customer. That 20,070, right? The same customer. This is how we'll create the customer. Pretty simple. So only the mandatory fields, the important fields you need to be mentioned. Okay. So if you want to change something, then what you will do? You need to go to the change mode of the customer master. What is the T code for the changing of customer? XD02. If you want to only display, then XD03. So I will show you the change mode. Okay, just go to XD02. All right. So here you need to mention your customer number and mention your company code details and mention your sales area details and continue. Then it will open. Then you can able to change whatever you want to change. You can able to change. So this is in XD02. And if you go to XD03, XD03 is for display mode. So display means, so same, you need to mention your customer number, which customer you want to display. That customer and that customer belongs to which company code and which sales area. Those details we need to mention. So if you mention wrong detail, then system will not allow. You can see I am mentioning as ZP. System will not allow. You can see this customer is not been created in this combination Z100, Z1, Z2 combination. It is not created here because this customer is created Z100 and Z1 and Z1 combination. Okay. So you need to mention correctly Z1. So if you mention wrong, then system will not allow. You can see now I have mentioned Z1 division, then you can see these are all. So it isn't only display mode. You can see we are in display. Display means you can see we can't able to edit anything. This is about customer master. So this is how we will create the customers. Okay. And if you remember, I have used all the standard things here, right? Now we'll see how to create a proper customer. So if you want to create a proper customer, then what we required, so I'm just going to XD01 T code. So /n means it will take you to the home screen. Then you need to enter the T code. Then a system will automatically go to the particular T code. So if you, without entering the /n, if you enter direct T code, system will not allow. You can see system will not open the T code. You can see XD01. It will not show. /n means system automatically take to the easy access screen and run the T code XD01. You can see now it is open. Right, XD01 is the T code to create the customer. And now you can see first, if you want to create a customer, we require an account group and then customer. So if you see, if I create a customer, after creating it, the customer number is proposed 4,20,070. How it is proposed? So where we have maintained that numbers, okay, that concept we call as a number range. Account group we need to create and number range we need to create. So based on the number range only the customer's number will be proposed. So here you have seen already, right? In the previous, the customer number we got is 4,20,070, right? So we need to see from where it is getting. So how we are going to maintain this number ranges. Okay, that we need to see. And one more concept is partner function. So if you go to our customer, previous customer, we are having some partner functions. So I'm just going to the XD02, the previous customer. In the sales area data, you can see the partner function tab is there. So here these partner functions are determining sold to party, bill to party, pay year, ship to party. So I will explain what is meant by partner function. So this is our copying from somewhere. Okay. So it should be copied. If it is not copied, then system will not allow to save the customer. Okay. So this is all the mandatory thing. So as of now, you won't understand what is meant by partner function, and this is also important thing. Okay. So if you want to create a proper customer, you need an account group and you need a number range and you need a partner function. These three setup you need to do. Partner functions you need to be copy means you need to do the PDP, partner determination procedure. If you do the PDP, then only it will copy these partner functions over here. Okay. So I will show you all the three steps. Then we can create our own customer. Okay. So you can see I have mentioned over here. So if you want to create a proper customer, you need to create an account group, you need to create a number range, and you need to create a PDP, partner determination procedure. And these are all the T codes, OVT0 for account group, creation of account group, and number range. The T code is XDN1, and PDP, the T code is VOPN, OPAN. Okay. So these are all the T codes. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see this. So as of now, if I explain all this concept today, so you will want to understand. So tomorrow we'll see how to create account group, how to create number range, and how to create PDP. And also we'll see the important fields. I mean, the fields, whatever the fields we are having, right? So we have seen some fields in general data. So total 5 tabs are there. As an SD consultant, we are going to involve it, right? So we'll see each and every field of the general data and also in sales area data. So we'll see all those fields after creation of a proper customer. Then we are done with the customer master. Then we can able to move to the material master. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see how to create a proper customer. That means how to create an account group, number range, and PDP. Then we'll create a customer. Okay. Then we'll see all the fields of the customer master. Okay. All right. Thank you. We'll connect tomorrow. So if I explain today, then it will be bored, right? So because completely theoretical we are having here. So what is mean by incoterms? So I should explain. So it is a agreement between consignee and consignors, right? So if I explain all this, then it will be huge, right? So as of today, just practice how to create a proper customer, I mean normal customer. So without using our own account groups and all. So just use the standard account group and create a customer. Tomorrow we'll see how to create account group and number ranges and PDP. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see all the fields. Okay, all the important fields over here. In sales tab, shipping tab, all these fields. Why we are going to use these fields? In which scenario we are going to use these fields? Okay. So every time we don't use all these fields. So whatever the requirement is there, based on the requirements we'll use. This is like a setting. Okay, okay then. Thank you. We'll connect tomorrow the same time. Okay. Slowly we'll increase the time. Okay. Because in the starting now, so it will get confused for you guys. So we'll increase our time slowly. Okay, then thank you. You can join in this group. So daily I can't able to share these links. Right. So simply you can join in this group. Okay, so I have shared somewhere. Stop this recording.